Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com, and Mo and Morgan. No, not good to me. Well, Morgan's with me. We are heading to our least favorite lawn to mow, pretty much because it's just dirt and weeds, no irrigation or nothing like that. We only mow it like every other week, but oh, we hate it. But we like the paycheck it brings in, so stick around. You're not going to watch that. We'll give you some footage, and we'll be back after this. Hey Lawn Dogs, so what I want to ask you guys is, what do you do when your employees all go back to school? So I got a lot of employees that are in, well, one in high school, 2 in college, and this is kind of their summer job, and it's been beautiful, but in about 2 weeks I'm losing them all. Morgan's going to go from full-time basically down to half days, and that's all I'm going to have. But I still got 75 yards. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna work those half days. I'm gonna schedule them accordingly. I do got her all day Friday, right?
Yep.
And Gabe's gonna let me know what he can do still after school. He also plays soccer, and Amelia is in golf. So, you know, that's more important than working for me. School and, to me, the extracurricular activities. But what do you guys do? Do you guys run into these situations? You know, is it time for me to hire a full-time employee? One that isn't in school? I don't think I'm gonna this year. But maybe something to look at for next year. I don't know. So right now, I mean, we're getting done with everything pretty much by Thursday. We're done with all of our yards. So I already went through and rescheduled a bunch, so I'm averaging about 15 a day. That's what I've got on the schedule right now. So if I do 15 a day, you know, the issue is the big ones. Some of them are big. You know, imagine if I had to do Fremont insurance all by myself. That's a half day in itself. So I don't know. Them are the ones that I got trouble with, but gotta move those to Friday, so it's just me and you. But I don't know. Hey, comment below, let me know what you guys think. I know you guys say 75 yards isn't, some of you guys say 75 yards isn't that lot, one person can do them, but we mow acres here. The mom and pop yards, yeah, mom and pop yards, that's not a problem. It's the ones that are big that concern me. Hey guys, so Morgan's out blowing off this property right now. Just finished up. Anyway, so I've been working on a plan. I started thinking about it last week, and I don't know, maybe I should have thought about it earlier about what I'm going to do at the end of this month. But, you know, one thing I am doing is stop taking customers. I'm not taking any more customers because of the situation of losing the employees. So, you know, when you're done, you're done, I guess, for the season. You just got to finish up what you got, be happy with where you're at, and I am happy. I have exceeded my expectations so far. I'm hoping that, you know, I finish out strong. I'm going to finish out strong. I explained to the wife, I think late hours are about ready to start kicking in for me, which is okay. But anyway, yeah. It's going to be some interesting times come beginning of September, end of August, rest of all the way through fall. But I'm not taking on any more customers this year. We're done. We're maxed out. And I'm going to evaluate all of this this year over the winter. I'll evaluate proceeding next year whether I should hire a full-time employee or not. I'm thinking about it. We'll see. Alright. Hey, always give maximum effort. Be kind to everyone. Floyd, I'm out.